In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display multiple time zones in Google Calendar. This is a super handy feature, especially if you're frequently coordinating with people across different time zones. Having multiple time zones visible in your calendar can make scheduling a breeze, helping you avoid the hassle of manually calculating time differences. Let's jump right in and walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring that everyone attending your meetings is right on time, no matter where they are. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. The quickest way to do this is by typing calendar.google.com directly into your address bar and hitting enter. Alternatively, you can search for Google Calendar using your preferred search engine if that's easier for you. Make sure you're logged into the Google account that you use for scheduling, as this will be crucial for making any changes to your calendar settings. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a gear icon. This represents your settings. Clicking on this gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. This is where we're going to configure the time zones. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section labeled General. It's essential to navigate here because this area contains all the options related to time management, which is exactly what we need. Within the General section, you'll want to locate the Time Zone section. This will be the key area where we can adjust our time zone settings. In this Time Zone section, you'll notice a checkbox option that says Display Secondary Time Zone. Go ahead and click this checkbox. When you do, another drop-down menu will appear. This menu will allow you to select an additional time zone. Simply click on the drop-down menu and scroll through the list until you find the time zone you need. Choose the one that corresponds to the area you frequently communicate with or travel to. A great feature of Google Calendar is that it automatically saves any changes you make. So once you've selected your secondary time zone, there's no need to hunt for a save button. Your new settings will take effect immediately. You should now see the additional time zone displayed on your calendar interface. Having this extra information at your fingertips can be a huge relief, providing a clear view of what time it is in different regions across the globe. And there you have it. Displaying multiple time zones is now a piece of cake and can really help streamline your scheduling efforts. Whether it's for business or personal use, having those times clearly listed can save you a lot of back and forth conversions. Above all, it ensures you and your contacts always stay in sync. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and happy scheduling.